Hi, so welcome to DCA. So as per the request of the students, we got many messages regarding CDS free mock test, that we should conduct some mock test for those who are planning to appear for CDS exam in the first week of November, right? So hardly around 15 days left, right? So your preparation might be in full swing, and you may be planning, okay, let's have some mock test where you can check your preparation accuracy as well as tentative score, right? So we have planned a free all India mock test. Of course, that is online mode. You can appear for the test online through the PC, laptop or the phone, whichever you prefer, right? It can be, in fact there is no need to download the app as well if you want, right? आप direct web login के लिए जाके कर सकते हैं. So what is the tentative date? So date is 3rd of November, 3rd November 2020, right? You can appear on that. We have 3 sections. So maybe those who are planning for the OTA will need to appear for the GS and English. You can try this too. And if you are for the IMA and the Navy or the Air Force, you can try all the 3 sections. So about GS, what I would like to say that, it's of course 120 questions. So let's suppose we are keeping around 20 dynamic questions, that is current affairs related. The 100 questions, approximately it can be 95, it can be 101 as well, right? So will be NCERT based, right? So just to keep a tab that you have covered NCERT, that is the basics at least, right? तो सारे के सारे question हम इसी से डालेंगे, starting from 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th or 11th, 12th, whichever is part and parcel of the CDS syllabus, right? So आप NCERT लेवल पे भी अगर आप तैयार हैं तो भी आप अच्छा कर सकते हैं, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट होगा, आप देख सकते हैं व्हाट यू कैन लर्न, और अगर कोई कमी ज्यादा होएगी तो आपके पास 3-4 दिन है, आप उस एंगल पे ध्यान दे सकते हैं. वी विल बी कीपिंग अराउंड 20 क्वेश्चंस फॉर द करंट अफेयर्स विच इज जनरली आस्क्ड इन अबाउट 18 से कभी 22 भी पूछते हैं करंट अफेयर्स, दैट वेरीज एग्जाम टू एग्जाम, राइट? सो विल कीप अराउंड 20 करंट अफेयर्स इन द GS सेक्शन. English, more or less, English grammar is nowadays becoming a concern in the CDS paper. Of course, application of grammar. So we'll be focusing more on grammar section rather the comprehension section, because वो तो आप practice कर ही रहे होंगे. So we'll try not to keep the comprehension. We'll try more on the the prepositions, synonyms, antonyms kind of question like that, which is more grammar oriented as well as according to the CDS latest pattern, which we already do. जैसे हम theme based test भी कराते हैं, right, in our classroom and the online test series as well. हम theme based test भी कराते हैं, तो आप उसको try कर सकते हैं. Maths, for those who are for the IMA and the AFA, you should, I think I would rather request you कि आप ये test जरूर दें. We have some really qualitative questions, and if you are doing around 40 plus correct out of 100, you are literally very good for AFA as well. आप वाकई वहाँ अच्छा करेंगे, आपकी स्पीड काफ़ी अच्छी होगी, तभी आप कर पाएंगे. So what else you can get? Just a kind of recap. So this is just a supplementary step from our side, that all the students who will be appearing for the test will receive this 100 dynamic revision question booklet, right? That means whatever has happened from March till around you can say that 10th of September, right? उसमें से जो जैसे पॉलिटी के कुछ डायनामिक्स क्वेश्चन, इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन डायनामिक्स क्वेश्चन, समथिंग रिलेटेड टू द कल्चरल हिस्टोरिकल थिंग्स और द ज्योग्राफिकल अपडेट. सो दिस इज डायनामिक बुकलेट, इट्स नॉट QIP बुकलेट. It's 100 questions with explanation. The dynamic booklet that will be given free of cost. Of course, this is a soft copy which will be delivered to your email IDs after the test. That is on 4th of November, right? So how to register? Registration has not to be done by WhatsApp, because it becomes very problematic for us कि आप एक WhatsApp चेक करते हैं, because there is a single office number through which we have NDA, SSBs, maybe some programs going for the schools as well. So it becomes difficult to organize everything in one number. So please, since you are a graduate candidate, a mature, a serious and sincere candidate, we request you to register via email. That is official email, defensecareeranalyst@gmail.com. जो कोचिंग का नाम है, आगे आप @gmail.com लगा के प्लीज मेंशन योर नेम, location and any your picture, because we need that to weed out the unwanted coaching agents, right? So that's all from our side to announce the CDS mock test on your demand actually. right? Initially we were not planning, but 7-8 बच्चों के मैसेज आ गए. We thought that we should do that, right? Although it takes time to compile this question, because we don't compromise on quality of the question we put in our notes, test, as well as the free mock test. Thank you. All the best.